Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the Doosan forklift 7 ton. Here we have the problem with the double indicator connection. Whenever we are put the double indicator switch, only one side indicator is working and the other side indicator is not working. If you open the side cover from the driver side, you will see there is so many relays and each relay have writing the purpose of the relay. Here is the right side number one big flasher relay. This flasher relay is working good, but the problem with the diode, safety diode. This is the safety diode. In some cases, this safety diode burn because of the four lamps, two in the front and two in the rear. Each lamp have 21 watt power, and if you calculate all four, it will become almost 84 watts, and the power of diode is not enough. So I will bypass the safety diode and make direct connection to the switch base. Here is a negative and the other wire yellow color, two wire going direct to the base, and the third wire blue is the output going to activate the right indicator and left indicator. You see here the information of the diode, but it's not visible. I will try to focus, but it is difficult. Night time I cannot make proper. Okay, this blue wire I cut, and other two lines also I cut. This one for right indicator and one is for left indicator. This is a very simple option. In all new Doosan forklift have problem. This problem from the factory. In our company, I always doing like this. See, I am going to test this blue line. I will connect with one wire. It will indicate one side, either it's right or left. See this wire having yellow and black for right indicator, and other yellow with green, I think. Yeah, this yellow with green for the left indicator. So it's mean the blue line is output of the flasher relay, and now it's our choice. We connect it with the right indicator or with the left indicator. I will connect with the right indicator. You can swap, no problem. You can swap this blue wire even if you want with the right, with the left, no problem. But with the lever indicator, when you press right, it will work for the right. And when you press left indicator, it will work for the left indicator. You must need proper tight, otherwise loose connection will create problem. It will make wire heat up and maybe it cause fire. So always whenever you are twisting the wire, twist with the plier. With the hand is not accepted. I make one wire, any color wire you can take. I make one wire, see it's working with the right and with the left. As I told you before, one line I connected with the blue, and the other remaining one wire I will connect here with the switch. And then I have crimping tool. I will crimp the wire and I will put inside the base, so it will become like original. As I told you, this blue line already going for the right indicator or for the left indicator. Now remaining only one wire I will put on the switch side. This switch is double pole, but here company is using only single output. but I will jump one wire. I will give another wire to the switch so that in future switch will not burn. You see blue line and brown. These two line going to the right and left indicator. Now I need one small wire. That small wire I will jump here with the yellow. Yellow is the main line, and I will simply connect with the middle of the switch. This you need proper crimping, otherwise it will not go inside. After crimping you need some screwdriver or something to push inside. There is a special cut, so you cannot put the switch wrong way. Look again connections. It's very simple connection. If you watch this video carefully, you are able to make the connection. If you like the video and your problem is solved, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more. In my channel there are variety of job related to the generator, related to the tower light, forklift, bundle puller, all the machineries whatever you are using in the plant, you can get knowledge from it. So from your side I need only support. You like the video and you share with your friends and subscribe my channel. We'll see you inshallah in next video. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much.